I'm Mo Elliott, and I run Dos Hermanas along with my wife in Santa Fe, New Mexico. We started partnering with Booking.com from day one, and it's been an amazing partnership. My initial impression of Booking.com was very easy to use. You can really automate the business, and it frees up more time that I can spend with the family. Dos Hermanas, the translation's two sisters. When we purchased this property, we had two little girls. That was our inspiration while they were strapped to us while we were remodeling and doing all the work. Being on Booking.com, we've definitely seen our business grow in the short-term rental space. We've seen mostly domestic travelers. The integration with our PMS system and Booking.com's very seamless. We're able to update our descriptions, our photos, everything with guest communications able to be automated. We appeal with all the senses at Dos Hermanas. You're in the Spanish courtyard hearing the water fountain. When you're inside the units, you're noticing high-end textiles. When you're walking around Santa Fe, you have the sweet scent of piñon that we burn here in town. As people are experiencing your properties, making reviews, making bookings, we have really high reviews. We're getting repeat guests. It's really helping the business grow.